are going to love the 2023 Rio. The Rio delivers sprightly performance, great fuel economy, and agile handling, all in a stylish package. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, LED headlights, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.